In today's video, I am going to teach you how to assign template to page on Shopify. This is a useful skill anytime you create a new page template in your theme and you want a specific page, like an about page or a landing page, to use that template. Assigning a template is quick, and it helps you control the layout and sections that appear on that page without affecting other pages on your store. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From the left side navigation, go to Online Store, then select Pages. This takes you to a list of all the pages that exist in your shop. If you have a lot of pages, take a moment to scan the titles carefully so you open the correct one. Choosing the right page matters because the template you set here only applies to the page you are editing. Next, click the title of the page you want to change. This opens the page editor, where you can review the page content and settings. Before you make changes, it is a good idea to confirm you are on the intended page by checking the title at the top of the editor. Now look to the right-hand sidebar. In that sidebar, find the section labeled Theme Template. This is where Shopify lets you choose which template file the page should use. The current template may be set to the default page template, which is common for standard pages. In the Theme Template section, open the drop-down menu. You will see a list of available page templates, including the new template you created. Select the new template from the drop-down. Once selected, the page will be associated with that template, meaning the theme will render this page using the layout and sections defined in that template. Finally, click Save. Saving is important because the template assignment will not take effect until you do. After you save, you can view the page on your storefront to confirm it is displaying with the correct layout. If anything looks off, return to the same page editor and double-check the theme template selection. That covers everything you need to know.